Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to make another account on the TikTok. So if you have already one account on the TikTok and you want to create another one on the same device, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Go to your profile from the right bottom. Okay, now you are in your profile. On the right top you will see three lines. Just click on it. Go to the settings and the privacy. Multiple options will be appear here. You have to scroll up and here you will see switch account. Just click on it and click on the add account from here, and as you can see, sign up for TikTok page is appear here. Simply you have to click on the use phone or email, or you can simply create your account using your Google account, Facebook or the Twitter account. This is your choice. If you want to create account by using your email, simply you have to select email from here, enter your email and create another TikTok account. Now you can use two accounts on the TikTok. So this is the simple way to make another TikTok account in 2023. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.